Industries in a rush to catch up with TCS and make it to their $100 billion market cap club. So you've got Reliance, which is after a day's pause yesterday. Today it's back being the top gainer on the index, up a good 1.6% as we speak. But let's welcome on board Mohit Burman, the director at Dabur, for a very interesting chat. Mohit, hi, morning. Firstly, tell us what's your rationale of investment in Religare Enterprises and how much worth of stock have you bought so far? What's your current shareholding like?
Our rationale of our investment in Religare is purely financial, and we have done this with our private funds, and we have invested 150 crores into Religare. With whatever percentage that comes to, we are not sure. As I said, our rationale in Religare has been purely financial, so we haven't really been looking at the percentage numbers.
Okay, but Mohit, how is it that you are assessing the potential of the new team which is coming in? Because stockbroking and wealth has become a very competitive business. Do you see Religare as having a good chance going forward?
If you look at the four verticals of Religare at this point of time, I have great faith in the potential of at least three of them. If you've looked at Religare closely, the four verticals that is housed in Religare, firstly is the stockbroking and wealth management. Secondly is the home finance, home loan business. Thirdly is the health insurance, and fourth is the NBFC. If you look at all those businesses individually, I believe that the home finance business as well as the health insurance business has great potential, and I've seen that with our insurance businesses in the general and the life side, as well as on the specifically on the broking side. Yes, it is highly competitive. Wealth management is highly competitive, but Religare historically has been successful and still has a recognizable strong brand name. So I believe that in that business also it can easily be scaled up. The NBFC I believe has some problems, but we have faith in the new team to be able to sort those out.
Like, how long do you aim to hold this investment of yours? How do you assess the prospects of the broking business, the wealth management business?
We're not a fund. This is family funds from which have been invested from myself and my cousin, Dr. Burmans. So we don't have a time horizon when we make investments like this. In this case, I think we have set aside at least 3 to 4 years to see the potential upside.
Okay. Earlier, other players like Edelweiss have shown interest in picking up a part of the business as well. Do you see same kind of bids happen again? Would you sell out of your stake if some strategic players approached you?
See, as far as we're concerned, we are not in the driver's seat. So we as I mentioned, it's purely a financial investment. We have not even asked for a board seat. So these sort of decisions, I think, will be left for the board to decide. However, I am led to believe that all the businesses from the four businesses that is housed in Religare, none of them are going to be sold, and the new team and management are going to be focusing on growing these businesses over the next 3 or 4 years.
Okay, so purely as a financial investor then, Mohit, what is it that you have in terms of return expectations from this investment, say in the next 1 to 2 years? How do you think it can turn around on the premise that you're taking your bet on?
Again, as I mentioned, it's a private investment, so we don't go into return on investment and time horizons. But obviously we believe that a turnaround is possible. In how short or longer time, it's probably not. I'm not in a position to say. But if you take my gut feel, I expect that our investment will at least double over the next 3 years.
Okay, Mohit, good speaking with you. Thanks so much for taking the time and joining in today. That's Mohit Burman highlighting the rationale behind their private investment into Religare.